welcome to MonsterTrad 3. If you're brand new to Forex trading and looking to learn, you're in the right place. This is the channel where we break down complex trading strategies into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. In this video, we'll be diving into the essential market trends and entry points that every beginner should know. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your trading game, this video is for you. Alright, let's kick things off with consolidation. Think of consolidation like a coiled spring. The market's taking a breather, gathering energy for its next big move. You see, in Forex, prices don't just go straight up or down, they often move in waves with periods of consolidation in between. Now, as a trader, these consolidation periods are crucial. They're your chance to analyze, observe, and prepare for the market's next move. It's like a boxer studying his opponent, looking for weaknesses and patterns. During consolidation, you'll see price bouncing between a support level, the floor, and a resistance level, the ceiling. This range-bound movement can last for a while, from a few hours to even weeks. But don't worry, that doesn't mean it's time to doze off. This is when you put on your detective hat and start looking for clues. The key to trading consolidation is patience. You don't want to jump the gun and enter a trade prematurely. Instead, wait for a clear signal that the market is ready to break out of this range. Look for candlestick patterns, volume changes, or even economic news that could trigger a move. Remember, the longer the consolidation, the more powerful the breakout could be. It's like that coiled spring finally releasing its energy. So, keep an eye on those support and resistance levels, and be ready to pounce when the market gives you a signal.